Is your home exterior looking overwhelmed? Kingdom Outdoor Cleaning Services provides premium restoration to make your property look pristine again. We treat your home like a castle, protecting your most valuable asset. I'm Remy, owner of Kingdom Outdoor Cleaning Services. As a locally owned business, we pride ourselves on elite professionalism. We provide premium, regal quality cleaning to restore that sparkling pride to your property. Don't let clogged gutters put your foundation and roof at risk. Our Royal Gutter Care service keeps rainwater flowing exactly where it should, starting at just $99. For permanent protection, choose our commercial-grade gutter guards. This is the ultimate shield to keep leaves out for good, so you never have to clean your gutters again. Starting at $399. From surface dirt to slippery algae and deep-set grime, we have the solution. Our pressure washing services for concrete, wood, and vinyl fences will blast away the mess and restore your surfaces to their original condition. When it comes to your home siding, we rely on science, not force. Our signature soft wash process uses eco-friendly foam to gently dissolve mold without the risk of cracking your siding like high-pressure methods can. Starting at $149. Enjoy crystal clear, streak-free views with our spotless window cleaning service. Starting at $125, we eliminate dust, erase oily smudges, and dissolve hard water stains for a castle-grade shine. With the Kingdom Guarantee, you get regal quality, spotless excellence, and local integrity. We are fully insured and dedicated to providing you with honest, community-focused, and trustworthy service. Give your property the royal treatment it deserves. Call us today at 417-229-3397 or email us at remy@kingdomocs.com to book your royal wash.